We are going to be using fennel with blueberry and apple. And fennel, I've used fennel before in my juicing recipes, and fennel, to some people, it can be very daunting to understand the uses of it. It has a very interesting look. Fennel is definitely very versatile. Today I will be using the bulb, which is at the bottom, and I'm going to cut off the stalks, and the stalks can be used just like celery, and the fronds, they can be used just like dill in a recipe as a garnish, or just sprinkled in a recipe. And the bulb has a very licorice like taste to it, and it's very crunchy, and you could definitely cook this as well as you would like. It has like a silky texture to it when you cook it. But today we are going to be juicing the bulb, and I will be using this for maybe a salad that I'll have later, or a cooked recipe, maybe some type of soup that I'll make. I love making soups in the fall, and I definitely eat a lot of cooked recipes now. But of course, I am always juicing. With the bulb, I will, since I'm juicing this, I will probably just cut this in half. And, or maybe I'll just cut it in quarters, just because. And I have already cleaned my fruits and veggies, and I'm using some apples and some blueberries. And as always, if you're new to this channel, then I am usually using the Nama J2 juicer on YouTube. And if you have a different juicer, it is fine. Remember to follow your manufacturer's instructions. And if you would like to see more videos of me making lovely juices and healthy dishes, then you can check out those videos as well. And first, we are going to, always in the Nama J2 juicer, you are going to put the soft ingredients in first. So we are going to place the blueberries in first, of course, okay? And I remember when my son was little, I used to, when it was time for bath time, I used to love to give him a bowl of blueberries for bath time too. While he's in bath time, I mean, he had a whole bunch of like other interesting things, like little toys that he had, and I would give him some blueberries as well. Okay, so I'm going to put the apples in next, and this will probably be just about 1 serving. And I'm going to take the fennel. And so I think I'm going to use another apple in this recipe so that I can make sure that I have enough juice. Okay, and now we are going to turn it on. It is like a lovely red color. Let's see. It's like a soft pink. It kind of goes with my top. Serving. This is about 10 ounces here. Okay, so we're going to pour it into the glass. And now we are going to try it. Okay. I definitely smell the fennel. It has that nice licorice smell to it. And of course I can smell the blueberry and I can smell the apple, and it smells very interesting. Okay, so let's try it now. Wow, this is good. I wonder how it would have tasted if I didn't add the extra apple. But it tastes great. It tastes amazing. The licorice taste from the fennel is just a beautiful complement to the apple and the blueberry. It's just, and I mean, I love the color. When you're making juices, you know, it's just so beautiful how the colors and the taste all just complement each other and just invigorates and stimulates you, you know, when you're having the experience of enjoying your living foods. This is so good. It's just, it has like this nice, soft, cool creaminess to it. It's just amazing. And I hope this was beneficial to you on your wellness journey. And as always, be well, be true to yourself,